Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. I just put out 10 tracks for YouTube's audio library. These tracks can be used for whatever purpose you want free of charge. You could use these tracks to soundtrack the birth of your next unwanted child, or as background music for your sick Minecraft videos, whatever you want. Now, in addition to releasing the tracks themselves, I'll also be releasing the stems and Ableton project files for all 10 of the songs. Wowzers. What I want you guys to do is to come up with your best remix, edit, whatever you want to call it, using the stems that I've provided and submit them to my Discord. I will then comb through all of your shit songs and find the best of the best. The winner for each of the 10 tracks will receive a sweet roll on my Discord, a free lesson from yours truly, and also get their track posted through all my social media. Wowzers! From now on, I'll be releasing a breakdown video for each one of the 10 tracks on my YouTube with links to the stems and project files in the video description. My Patreon supporters get access to the stems and project files for all 10 tracks right now, so you guys get a bit of a head start. And keep in mind that this is all free. If you want to support me in what I do, please hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification so that Uncle Joe doesn't miss you. So with all that being said, best of luck on the contest, and now let's go ahead and break down the first track of the 10 called Brain Melt. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Brain Melt was created in collaboration with my best brother, Tyler Aaron Superstar, who I'm also in a band with called the Brotherhood of Superstars. If we go inside my computer device, you'll notice that the track is built off of a very simple 3-chord progression, which I've played using Sweet Serum. Now, to make each chord feel distinct, I've created an LFO shaped like the steps going down to Uncle Joe's basement and routed it into a variety of different parameters. With the LFO off, each chord sounds exactly the same. So boring. But if I go ahead and re-enable it, each chord feels distinct and lifelike. Wowzers! Now, as far as the chords themselves go, first one is E minor 7, add 2, add 4, followed by C major 7, add 2, and then finally B minor 7, add 4. Now what the fuck is up with all this adding? I didn't come here to watch math. Well, let me show you how to break it down. First, I start off with the regular E minor chord, composed of E, G, B. I add the 7th on top, in this case D. Go ahead and add the 2, in this case F sharp, and then move the 5th down to the 4th. So that's B to A. And then I go ahead and double the root in my left hand on E, and go ahead and add the 5th as well, B. Wowzers. And then I follow the same voicing basically for every chord. Once again, start with the C, E, G for C major, add the 7th, then go ahead and add the 2, once again doubling the root and 5th in my left hand, and then finally moving on to the B minor chord, add the 7th. So go ahead and add the 7th. There you go. And let's go ahead and add the root, the 5th, and the 2nd. Wowzers. Okay, back to my computer device over here. Let's go ahead and see what else is happening in the intro. I'm going to go ahead and reactivate the audio. Now you'll notice down here there's the sound of a bunch of creepy crawlies, all the cockroaches in Uncle Joe's walls. And the way I created this is actually I just went over to Ableton's wavetable, picked the broken filter setting, which sounds like this. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's disgusting. I just go ahead and map an LFO to the oscillator 1 position. Oh, Jesus. It was so disgusting, I just had to put it in there. And of course, in addition to that, since we're already in Uncle Joe's basement, you'll hear Derek screams. You know, he just had to be disciplined, nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, wowzers. And of course, Sweet Sally giving us a nice song. Oh boy. Let's see what else is going on up here. I have the 808. I've also introduced a fair amount of percussion here. Of course, I have Tyler Aaron on the real hi-hats that we recorded here. Now, in addition to that, when I introduce this section here, right over here, I have this very interesting crash made out of 3 distinct layers. You'll notice that first layer is white noise, then a crash played by Tyler Aaron himself, and then I guess this field recording that I guess Derek took when he managed to escape outside. We're never letting that happen again. And to glue it all together, I run it through Reverb, OTT, EQ8, and this super fast auto pan to give it this tremolo effect. Wowzers. Now, in addition to all that, you'll notice a guitar coming in at this section. Now, here's the thing. Tyler Aaron Superstar has a very serious amphetamine problem, causing him to play guitar extremely fast. And I thought, why give him the help he needs when I can just record that? Sounds awesome. As far as that goes, I just added a little bit of OTT to make it brighter, some glue compression, an EQ to take out some of the resonant peaks, and some auto pan to make the track move slightly left and right in the stereo field. Fun little Rhodes. More live hi-hats courtesy of Tyler Aaron himself. And that's about it for all the main elements of the track. Wowzers. Thanks for watching. Best of luck on the contest and have a great day.